How to set ringtone on Zedge app. So let's get started. Firstly, if you don't already have it, download and install the Zedge app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Then simply launch the Zedge app on your phone. Now once you launch the Zedge app, you will get to see continue option available on your screen. Simply tap on the continue and navigate to its home screen. Now once you're in the home page of Zedge, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to find specific ringtones or browse categories like top ringtones or trending ringtones for popular options, and tap on any ringtone to preview it. When you find a ringtone you like it, tap the download icon, usually a downward arrow. It may ask you to sign in or give permissions if you have not already. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.